Hello, this is Michael with Insurance Agency Automation Associates with another one of my quick little videos on some AMS360 features and tools. Today we're going to talk about Activity View, which is a feature that was in Classic that went away kinda sorta here in Next Gen. So we're going to start over here on the Policies view. So there's a couple different reasons why we want to use the Activity View. And the main reason is it lets us see more. We don't have to click open activity after activity, open and close it to see everything that's going on. Like if you were doing here, you'd open activity, read it, close it, open activity, read it, close it, open activity, read it, close it. And we don't need to do that. So if I come over here to the Policies view, I'm going to show you this in a couple different places, but over here in the Policy view, if I'm looking at my summary, like let's select this policy here, I got an activity grouping button here. Okay. Now activity grouping is what this feature really is, but it gives us the activity view. When I click the activity grouping, it pops up to the activity view. There it is. Okay. So we're going to talk about what that does in just a moment. But first, I can get it from the activity over here in the policy view and the activity summary over here. I can get it from the activity view by clicking it over here. I can also get it from the deck page view by coming up here, and I got this icon for activity. If I hover over it, activity view. Now that's the old way to do it, for old phrasing. And also I can get it a bunch more different places. I'm going to show you one more. If I happen to be on the contact screen and maybe sending an email or having a conversation with somebody, using that to make the phone call, then once it comes up here, it'll actually have an activity view. Right up at the top would be the same little activity checkbox we just saw in deck page view. There it is. So there's my little activity. And I can come here, activity view. They all take me to the same place, which is right here. Now right away it defaults to 30 days. We can't change that as default. I'm going to make mine 999 just because this is a training customer. It doesn't have many activities. In reality, you probably wouldn't change it that big. I'm also going to take it out from filtering any policies and tell me, just show me everything. I'm going to tell it to refresh. Now what it does is it brings me up all the activities that happened here. This is on all policies for the entire customer. What I really love, there's two things I love about this activity view. I'm going to drag this box down just a little more. And the first thing I love is that I can click up here and it'll give me a filtering, kind of like what we can do in Excel for anything that actually showed up. Oh, I just want to see the policy change. So there's the policy change. I can come back here and unfilter by saying all, and maybe I just want to see the cancellations. There they are. I'm going to bring it back to all again. The second thing I really love about this is, look, notice where my mouse or which one's selected right there. And then right down here, I have the full description in the activity without opening it. Now I'm going to stay on my keyboard here, and I'm going to hit my down arrow keys, and it moves to the next one, the next one, the next one. Look how that detail's changing. Now none of these activities here in the training customer are very long. If they were long, you would see this over here, the scroll bar right here on the right. That scroll bar would activate, and it would actually mean that I can come in here and scroll down here and see the full activity description. Again, the full activity description without even opening it. The other things I can do is I can date range it, say show me only certain days to certain days. Activities with claims, activities with attachments are all included claim activity. I can do all my other little things down here I wanted to, but I wanted you to see this big picture view here. So that's it for now. So remember, come to my webpage anytime you want to see anything. That's ins-automation.com. Brings me to the webpage. A couple changes on here recently. BSSO setup, some tools and products and tools over there for you as well. Once again, this is Michael from Insurance Agency Automation Associates, another one of my quick little video views. Thank you.